What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Techie Family channel. Got another one here for you. Galaxy A21. Another one of those budget devices that Galaxy's putting out. And we're going to take a quick peek, quick unboxing at this bad boy here. This one is at a $250 price point. So it's definitely in the super budget when it comes to the phones, but got a few features here might find a little interesting. One of them being 6.5 inch Infinity O display, which is fairly large. Obviously it's still got a little bit of forehead. It's got the chin down at the bottom, but it does have a hole punch camera on the back, and it's got a 4-camera setup on the back, quad camera, 16 megapixel on the main camera. Then you got a few other options here when it comes to the camera setup. It's got a fingerprint scanner on the back. The Galaxy A71 does have a in-screen fingerprint scanner. This one is on the back. Budget device, $250. You get a 6.5 inch Infinity O display. You get a 4-camera setup on the back. Samsung is coming to play, man. They are coming to play. Let's go ahead and go through the setup here real quick and see what the screen looks like. It is a 1600 by 720 display, so it's not your full HD. 720 is the most you'll get out of this bad boy here, but for $250, it's not a bad looking display. Three gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of onboard memory. It's got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. They're advertising it as 28 hours talk time on this bad boy. Don't know how accurate that is. We're gonna have to put that one to the test. But for what it is, for the price that you're paying, I mean, it's a pretty nice size, 6.5 inch. With a nice large battery. Not gonna be the greatest, not gonna be the fastest. Oh, that's cute. I like that little hole punch. They gave you a wallpaper with a hole punch, so you don't have to go searching for them online. Android 10 right out of the box. Doesn't have 5G, still just on the 4G LTE networks, available at your local T-Mobile stores. But it's available now, it just came out 26th of June. 6.5 inch display, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I'm not even going to mention the processor because it's not really important. It's not a great processor. It's got 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of onboard memory. Nothing crazy, but you are getting a nice size screen, nice size battery, and a 4-camera setup in a $250 phone. Can't go wrong. Fingerprint scanner on the back. That's what it is. Samsung's coming to play. They're coming to play. So if you're looking for something in the $200 to $300 price range, this is definitely a good go-to. It's got a nice size screen. Watch your YouTube videos on a fairly large device. Not gonna break the bank. Still gonna have a decent camera setup. Can't go wrong. That's what it is. The Galaxy A21, available now at your local T-Mobile. 4-camera setup. But all right, you know the deal. We appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, get notified whenever we drop new content. Slowly but surely, we're going to start pumping out more videos. This COVID stuff starting to quiet down a little, so we'll be back to our normal routine. We appreciate you guys sticking through. Until next time, in the next video, this is Lou, Techie Family, over and out.